You guys, thank you so much. No. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is it's movie night. It's nice snacks or whatever, and I figured I would cut on the camera and bring you guys along. Hopefully it'll give you some, some for snack, snack ideas. Easy, simple, breezy, kid friendly, and just something fun to do. Cheesy Gouda popcorn and homemade chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. So, if you are interested in seeing soon, don't forget to like this video, subscribe. I am new to YouTube. My name is Kate Butterfly. Out, and I have lined it with parchment paper. That is my oven going off because I have already preheated my oven to 350. Warm mine a little bit. You want to space them? I'm gonna space. Kids can help you with them. Your drunk uncle can get in the kitchen and help you without burning out in the kitchen. It's only a couple of ingredients and they're not going to take a whole lot of time, so it don't take a genius to do them. And everybody got a drunk uncle, so where you at? Y'all up there? Everybody got a drunk uncle. Girl, don't play with me. Your uncle drunk. Just like mine. Let me stop. Let me stop. Put these cookies into the oven. Like I said, I have preheated my oven on 350. And I'm going to put these in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. Or until they get golden brown. Alright you guys, next we are going to start on the popcorn. I got some Jolly Time yellow popcorn, and in the pan I have some oil and a teaspoon of Kerrygold butter, which is my favorite kind of butter that I like. I love it. Love this Kerrygold butter. We're going to use about maybe a cup or a cup and a half of popcorn. Now, these are old-fashioned popcorn. This is how you make it back in the day. It's before the microwave and before all of this other stuff. Now, I'm gonna use this pan. This top. This does not go to this, but it covers the whole thing. This is just like what I want to do. Alright? So y'all don't talk about me. Don't talk about me using that goes to another pan. You know, shake that thing, baby. What? Shake that thing. No, shake that thing. Damn. Okay, let me stop. You don't want it to burn. Alright, you guys. Hello? Oh. Okay, so the popcorn is ready. ready, you guys. I got this popcorn holder or whatever from the dollar store. So I'm gonna put the popcorn there. Next, we got some melted butter. We're gonna put some melted butter on there. And of course, it's a little Kerrygold butter. And then we're also going to put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt on it, seasoning salt, just to give it a little color and a little salt to it. Baby! So we got the popcorn. Baby, that melted butter and that salt. Woo. Okay, so to top it all off, we are going to make it, because of course it wouldn't be cheesy, Gouda. It's the Gouda for me. I love Gouda. I don't know if you guys have ever cooked with Gouda, tried Gouda, tasted Gouda, whatever. Baby, Gouda is so good. I got this little small one. And we're gonna freshly, and see while you pulling that cheese on there while the popcorn is still hot. It's gonna melt on there. Some of the best popcorn that I've ever tried. Now, you can use any cheese that you like. You might want Parmesan, like a little garlic Parmesan. I am back. As you can see, the cookies are out of the oven. They are a nice size, and they have cooled down. We got some mixed nuts to put on them, put on the side of them. We also got some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and also some chocolate chunks to go on the inside of them. Also, the ice cream we're gonna be using is vanilla ice cream. As you can see, it's a whole lot of great value going on around here. Yes, the ice cream is great value. You know why? Because it's a great value. You know, they were cheaper. You know what I'm saying? They was a little cheaper than everything else. So yeah, that's pretty much why we got a little great value going on. Chocolate chips and chocolate chunks have been in the refrigerator. Probably should have put them in the freezer. But we're gonna see how everything works out. You wanna work kind of fast. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. We're gonna go ahead with our pan. We're gonna take now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this cookie first because you can see that it broke when I was trying to move too fast, and they weren't even cool yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one made up. That looks good. So we got our handy dandy ice cream scooper, warm water, and we're just going to scoop the ice cream out onto the cookie. You want to get enough ice cream on there, that way it'll It's a sandwich. For God's sake. You want to smash it a little bit. Now, we're going to take this one we're going to put some nuts onto. Take it and just drop it on there. I'm dropping them on there, pushing them in. What you thought, cause that cookie broke? You thought cause the cookie broke, baby, we weren't gonna be able to do what we need to do? I don't think so. Okay, you're gonna push your chocolate chips in. Okay, so we're gonna leave that one right there since it's already big enough. We want to work kind of fast because you don't want your ice cream to melt too much. Oh, I guess that one scooped for the other cookie. I forgot to set it inside of the warm water. So you're gonna grab your other cookie, smash that down. Now you can always just keep it just like that, just a regular cookie, right? But we're gonna take it a step further. We're gonna put some chocolate chunks in there. Oh, you trying, okay, you don't want to stay? You gonna get pushed in there now. That's just that on that. The kids would love to do this. But I got to work fast. Baby, scooping this ice cream out here. I think I got a little sweat or something. A little hot. And this is a lounge wear, but it's a little velvet. Little velveteen, y'all can't see. I wanted to show y'all, but y'all can't see it right now. We're gonna concentrate on these ice cream sandwiches for right now. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and stick this other cookie on there because we don't want to stuff it too much. We could put, listen, y'all can put as much ice cream as you want on your sandwich. It is yours. I'm putting some chocolate chips. With chocolate chips in here. This one is straight chocolate chip. Ones that are falling out, don't worry because we're gonna wrap these up in parchment paper and they're gonna freeze right into the ice cream sandwiches. Yeah. If I wanted to put more ice cream in here, let that be the bottom. Then I could just roll. I could have rolled the whole sandwich like this into the thing, but I didn't want to overstuff the ice cream sandwiches. Y'all, I am new to this recording thing, this YouTube thing. Hopefully, everything I'm doing, you guys can see it. If you can't, I would appreciate some feedback to let me know, you know, what I can work on, you know, angles, yeah, that type of thing. So let your girl know what she doing around here, child. Because right now, I'm just swinging in the dark now. I'm doing something that I love to do. I love to cook pretty much anything. Your girl can cook anything. Soul food, any type of soul food, any type of anything, right? Pretty much anything. With my channel, I feel like it's a lot of people that are already doing cooking and, you know, soul food and all this thing. A lot of soul food and all this, right? So I figure my channel won't be all about making those type of meals. It would, okay, I'm through with that. So we're gonna go ahead and put that over there and smash that down. We're gonna just do a regular one, right? Well, no, let's do it because I know someone's gonna want that. But, yeah, so you'll find that the recipes that I make, they're just little simple, quick, easy recipes just to give you an idea to make something that you normally wouldn't make. You know, sometimes you get tired of eating the same old animals. No. You be trying to figure out they got a new meat coming out. You know, stuff like that, but just to make it fun. That's it. And also I will be doing DIYs, y'all. I love to craft. I love to anything with coming up with recipes or crafting or anything like that. I will be doing that. 1 second, I'm gonna wash my hands, rinse my hands off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the ice cream sandwiches into the freezer, and we're gonna freeze these for a couple of hours. You're gonna take your wax paper and wrap your sandwich up individually. I don't know if you pay attention to like the ice cream sandwiches in the store, but when you unwrap it, this is the paper that you're unwrapping. Okay? I'll come back and let you guys see what they look like with the popcorn. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, the ice cream sandwiches are out of the freezer. Can you see that? It says homemade ice cream sandwiches. So they are done.